Okay, this was in the freezer for probably at least an hour. And it did get a little bit too hard. But I'm gonna, if I didn't already put the walnuts and the chocolate chips in there, I would have put it back in the blender. But since I did, I'm just gonna stir it up and make it get creamy. That's what we are going to do. But anyway, that is how my dessert turned out. Or my still pretty creamy though, for the most part, once it melts down a little bit. It's a little bit more icy than creamy though. But as it melts down a little bit, I'm just going to keep stirring it. So as it melts down some more, it'll be just right. But next time I will make sure that my bananas are frozen. So I'm actually going to freeze them. What I've been doing is taking the bananas, cutting them up, and putting them in a Ziploc bag and sticking it in the freezer. So that way, and these are like the snack, one fell in the sink. These are like the snack size bags, so actually one whole banana fits in there. If you have baby bananas, you could probably fit 3 or 4. And then I put them in the freezer, and it's pretty much the perfect portion. If you use a whole banana in your smoothies, if you want to use half, then you would do half. Alright y'all, I hope that this was helpful. Again, it is starting to cream up really good. It's not gonna, it won't take long for it to really get creamy. Let's see. I just left it a little bit longer than I wanted to. Not really doing such a good job of keeping my hands still. Okay, here we go. See? I'm trying to get some of those bigger chunks out. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes. There we go. So here's my frozen treat. Make sure I get a piece of walnut in there. See? Banana flavor, walnuts, and chocolate chips. Yes. Life is good. Love y'all, and abundance of kisses.